Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jetpack for WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the plugins section. From there, you will search for Jetpack in the plugin repository. Once found, click Install Now and then Activate to begin the setup process. This initial step is fundamental to unlocking the many benefits Jetpack offers, from enhanced security to improved site performance and traffic insights. Jetpack brings a comprehensive set of features to your WordPress site. For security, it offers protection against over 20,000 malicious attacks daily, safeguarding your content. Performance-wise, its image optimization can reduce file sizes by up to 50% without quality loss, and the CDN ensures fast content delivery globally. You also gain valuable insights into your site's traffic and popular posts, helping you refine your content strategy and engage your audience more effectively. Once Jetpack is activated, the next crucial step is connecting it to your WordPress.com account. This connection is vital as it powers many of Jetpack's advanced features, including backups and security scans. Take a moment to review the initial setup wizard, which guides you through enabling key modules. You can then delve into the Jetpack dashboard to customize settings for security, performance, and engagement tools, ensuring they align perfectly with your website's goals and audience. To maximize Jetpack's potential, focus on activating and configuring its most impactful modules. The Site Stats module provides invaluable data on your visitors, helping you make informed content decisions. Proactively use the security features, including automated daily backups and spam filtering, to maintain a safe and clean website environment. Furthermore, enable performance tools like lazy loading for images and the Content Delivery Network to ensure your site loads quickly for every visitor, enhancing user experience significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.